Did you know that the entire blueprint of your life is hidden in just 3 numbers? The psychic number, the destiny number, and the name number. But how do you calculate them correctly? And the biggest question? If your official name on paper is different, your nickname at home is different, or your surname changes after marriage, which name will actually affect your destiny? Today, we will learn how to calculate these 3 numbers step by step using numerology's most accurate Cheiro system and its original chart. How to calculate the psychic number. Let's start with the psychic number. This is the easiest. The psychic number is simply the sum of your birth date, the day of the month. Suppose a person is born on August 15th, 1990. Here, we will only take the birth date, which is 15. Now add 1 and 5. 1 plus 5 equals 6. So this person's psychic number will be 6. If you were born between the 1st and 9th of any month, that single digit is directly your psychic number.
How to calculate the destiny number. Now let's move to the destiny number. The destiny number is the total sum of your entire date of birth. Let's take the same example. August 15, 1990. 15/08/1990. Now add all these digits one by one. 1 plus 5 plus 0 plus 8 plus 1 plus 9 plus 9 plus 0 equals 33. Now add this 33 together to bring it down to a single digit. 3 plus 3 equals 6. This means this person's destiny number is also 6. The Cheiro chart and how to calculate the name number. Now let's talk about the most important number, the name number. To calculate your name, you can see the most authentic Cheiro chart of numerology on your screen. You can pause the video right now and take a screenshot. A, I, J, Q, Y equals 1. B, K, R equals 2. C, G, L, S equals 3. D, M, T equals 4. E, H, N, X equals 5. U, V, W equals 6. O, Z equals 7. F, P equals 8. As you can see in the chart, the number 9 has not been assigned to any letter in the Cheiro system because 9 is considered the number of God. Now, let's calculate a name using this chart. David. According to the chart, the value of D is 4. The value of A is 1. The value of V is 6. The value of I is 1. And the value of D is 4. Now add them up. 4 plus 1 plus 6 plus 1 plus 4 equals 16. And if we bring 16 down to a single digit, 1 plus 6 equals 7. This means the name number for David is 7. In the same way, you can calculate the total of your name spelling. One person, many names. Which name will work? Now we come to the question that comes to everyone's mind. A person has many names, a formal name in school, a different nickname at home, and women often change their surname after marriage. So which name decides your luck? The simple rule for this is the energy of sound. The name you are called by the most throughout the day, the name you immediately turn around to when you hear it, that is your active name number. The name written on official documents only affects your banking or formal paperwork, but your daily life, your nature, and your destiny are driven by the name the world uses to call you every day. And after marriage, when a woman is continuously called by her new surname, within a few months, the frequency of her new name becomes active and starts showing its effect on her destiny. So now you know exactly how to calculate your psychic, destiny, and name numbers. Using the Cheiro chart provided in the video, calculate your active name and let us know in the comments what your name number is. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.